Exciting announcement. Ton X DAO new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Ton X DAO airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment. XDAO airdrop coming soon. Ton X DAO and Tonkeeper join forces to supercharge the Ton ecosystem. The Ton blockchain is entering a thrilling new chapter as Ton X DAO announces a strategic partnership with Tonkeeper, the most popular wallet solution for Ton users. This collaboration is more than just a technical integration. It's a clear signal of Ton X DAO's long-term vision to enhance user experience, deepen ecosystem engagement, and empower the growing Ton community. The upcoming $DAO airdrop, get ready to claim. In celebration of this major partnership, Ton X DAO is rolling out an exclusive $DAO token airdrop. This is your golden chance to join the revolution early. By simply connecting your wallet through Tonkeeper, you'll be eligible to earn a share of $500,000 DAO tokens. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just exploring the Ton ecosystem, this airdrop is a low-barrier, high-reward opportunity. Analyst predictions. Crypto analysts and insiders estimate that the $DAO token could debut between $0.05761 and $0.0707 per token. These projections are based on current user base growth, demand for DAO-based tools on Ton, strong tokenomics and utility, airdrop engagement rates, and community feedback. If the projections prove accurate, early participants could see significant returns, particularly those who accumulate $DAO during the initial reward campaign. What's next for Ton X DAO and Tonkeeper? This partnership is only the beginning of a broader vision. Ton X DAO is committed to forging new alliances, launching powerful community features, and driving deeper integration within the Ton landscape. The team is actively working on new tools for decentralized governance, token utility, and developer support. Tonkeeper's role will expand as a gateway, not just to storing tokens, but to engaging with the full spectrum of decentralized apps, DAOs, and financial tools in the Ton ecosystem. Listing expectations, $DAO token price predictions. As the airdrop and ecosystem buzz continue to rise, so does anticipation for the official listing of the $DAO token. Benefits for the community: improved user experience, effortless onboarding, and seamless app integration inside Tonkeeper. Lucrative rewards: airdrop of $500,000 DAO tokens available with minimal effort. Ecosystem expansion signals rapid growth and solidifies Ton X DAO's influence within the Ton blockchain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Ton X DAO airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Star.